Hi, my name is Dominic John Ferrer. I'm from Zamboanga City, province of Zamboanga del Sur, Region 9. I am not in favor for the abolishment of the Sangguniang Kabataan, but rather, I believe that there are some things in the SK that needs to be reformed. First and foremost, hindi po dapat natin i-abolish yung SK or Sangguniang Kabataan because I believe SK serves as the representation of the youth. And then, hindi naman po lahat ng nasa SK ay corrupt. There are some SK officials that have produced concrete projects in the different barangays in the entire Philippines. And then, it is also stated in Article 5, Section 13 of the Philippine Constitution that the state shall promote or recognize the participation of the youth in civic and public affairs. Sa akin lang siguro yung dapat nating i-reform is the age bracket of the SK. Kasi po, alam naman natin that mostly of the voters of the SK are below 18 years old. It is stated in the Philippine Constitution, Article 5, Section 1, that for us to be able to fully exercise our rights to suffrage is that we must be 18 years and above. Etong nangyari sa SK, parang special power lang yan for the youth to vote. Para ma-serve yung fundamental laws ng ating Philippine Constitution, mas maganda siguro kung tataasan natin yung age bracket. It must be 18, for me lang ha, it must be 18 to 21 years old. Para naman kung sakasakaling itong mga SK officials natin ay, for example, naging corrupt, we can actually penalize them or suit a case against them. Kasi kung mababa naman yung edad nila sa 18 years old, hindi natin sila mape-penalize. And then, siguro makakaroon din tayo ng reforms on the matters of their scope, yung power nila, kung saan ba sila dapat. Kasi if they are just, parang sunod-sunuran lang sila sa ating mga barangay councils, parang minamanipula lang din ng ating mga barangay chairmans and other kagawats kung ano yung dapat gawin ng youth. Para sa akin, they must have an independence in terms of decision making. So yung kung ano yung gagawin nila sa budget nila, kailangan ilagay natin sa scope na ito ay dapat nanggaling mismo or the resolution came mismo sa ating Sangguniang Kabataan. So that's all for now. Thank you.